Hello, welcome back to the channel, and we're in the caravan again. It's now the 5th of April, and we're going to take our two granddaughters to Rowntree Park for a couple of nights. So we've got quite a few things organised for tomorrow. Fetched Caravan up yesterday, give it a good wash and everything. It's only an hour away, so if you want to see what we're up to, I might not do too much filming, I don't know, since we've got grandkids with us, but if you want to see what we're up to, just carry on and watch this video, and we'll see you when we get to Rowntree Park. Bye for now. So we are, car's all gleaming, caravan's all gleaming. Bin men's bin, so I can get caravan off the drive now. Get it set up, ready to set off to Rowntree Park. Right, so here we are, all set up at Rowntree Park. We're up at the top end, there weren't many spaces to be left. So they're doing some work up there, so they've got a different exit. So that's it, 2 nights here. Go steady. Is it heavy? Did you get wet?
Yeah.
Soon find out.
Put your shoes on.
So we'll go for a walk into York, have a quick one. Quick walk. Shoes is on. What are you looking at? They got all scaffolding down from when we come in November anyway, haven't we? So when you come away, you go around shopping. That's it, Mia's granddaughter's gone in there. Have a look. I suppose Mia's at that age now where she wants to go shopping. So it's shopping it is. Oldie worldy house, look. Here we go. Let's go look at shambles then. Sticky fudge. What's the fudge? Potions and cauldrons, yeah.
Drinks.
Hey? Should be a Harry Potter shop down here somewhere. That's if he's still here. Is he still here, that one? It is, isn't it? Yeah. Shop that's got not been named.
That's the Christmas shop.
Yeah. It's an all year round Christmas shop. Right, so that's the shop. That must not be named. Want to go look in? So that's the shambles. A busy shambles, isn't it? Time you wanted your tea anyway.
Across here and then that.
Oh. So we'll see what the park's like, shall we? Road's busy enough, isn't it? Say it's dead end. Keep them busy for a bit. You don't need a playground at Caravan South, and you got that, do you? It's a bit black over there. No. She cheated. She missed that bit out. Rescue the scooters.
That when I get home for them
No chance.
This is a bit slow.
Tint if I push you.
Pond's there. It's not even a
I don't think it's a pond, I think it's just where it's river's flooded over.
It's not even that fast.
Wants a bit of oil on it. It'll go faster if I push you though.
What?
It'll go faster if I push you.
Push down.
Noisy apid.
Wow, it's a big muddy lift, I'm afraid. Look at all.
Like a quagmire up there, we're not going up there.
Why did they put it in the middle of the road?
We've got a swan.
Oh, what's that?
Mr. Swan? No, you don't stroke him.
You don't
Hello.
stroke wild things.
Well, that's where they got Swan Lake from swans, isn't it? Valley.
I don't think she knows what's that from, mate.
We've been this many times, it's the first time I've been in York Rowntree Park. Nice little area. Yeah. But be careful, it is a road. The long borders. Daffy's a lucky bella, it's still coming into flower, Daffy's. That's the main entrance to it, isn't it? It's a river, River Ouse. It's certainly a breeze in where I thought it was going to be. So we're nearly there now. No, next one. Road ahead closed. So you can only go so far up, then it's closed. Put at sight of you. It's certainly a full site again, isn't it? Man, it always full, this one, isn't it? Yeah, it's always a full one, this one, isn't it? Sun setting over the roof. That's it, we'll lock ourselves in now.